Hello guys. Today we introduce you to our NPTECH portable tripod projector screen to be used with all types of projectors with limitless projections. The NPTECH portable tripod screen is a go-to choice for presentations and even backyard theaters. The screen features 4:3 aspect ratio, ideal for displaying data or video content through any projector. Its wide viewing angle of 178 degrees provides equal brightness and visual, no matter where the audience is seated. The matte white screen finish provides vibrant color and high contrast display. The tripod screen is adjustable up and down to accommodate your room height and keep it adapted to 4:3 to 16:9 aspect ratio. The keystone emulator feature allows for easy adjustment for projector placement, providing a proportional projected image. When not in use, the emulator hides out of sight for easy transport. NPTECH screens are easy to clean, flame retardant, thicker and economical than any other screens. Let's show you how to install NPTECH portable tripod projector screen. The NPTECH tripod screens are available in multiple sizes with an aspect ratio of 4:3. Extend the tripod legs to the desired height. Most tripods have adjustable legs to accommodate different screen heights. The screen typically has a casing with a roller mechanism. Unlock the roller and carefully pull the screen material upward until it is fully extended. Attach the top bar of the screen to the hook or mount on the tripod. Ensure it is securely fastened. Adjust the tripod height if necessary to achieve the desired screen height. Ensure the screen is at a comfortable viewing level for your audience. Set up your projector at an appropriate distance and angle to ensure the projected image fits the screen properly. Once everything is set up and adjusted to your liking, you're ready to enjoy your presentation or movie on the portable tripod projector screen. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected, stay empowered with NPTECH. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on our videos and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from NPTECH. We can't wait to embark on this adventure with you. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep believing in the power of quality.